Happy Saturday, everyone! Today we are just going to go out and clean the sheep stall, and then I'm going to weed the garden beds. I'm getting a late start today because I just had a lazy day, and it's really nice sometimes to have those days. I rarely get them, especially with all the property and all the animals and all the housework we have going on, but today was a lazy day and it was fantastic. So I am happy to be getting a late start today. Let's get going. This is great. I'm going to go get the wheelbarrow and the pitchfork and then go out and clean. Surprise! It's 2 days later. It's now Monday afternoon, and I got distracted on Saturday and had a couple of things come up that I just needed to handle and take care of, so I didn't get to finish doing any of my winter garden bed prep or weeding that I wanted to do with you. So now I'm going to do it today and take you along, and it'll just be a garden video that spans over a couple of days. We've been getting pretty cold weather here. It's not super cold, but it's cold enough. It got down to 29 last night, so all of my plants in the greenhouse are nice and toasty, hopefully, but I have been noticing that there's some moisture, like condensation on the inside of there, so I want to go over and open that up before I start weeding, just to make sure there's not any moisture issues that develop while they're getting warmed up during the day. Oh yeah, you can see the condensation happening in there. So yeah, we need to go get that taken care of. Show you first the weeds that I have going on in the garden so you get a better idea of what I'm trying to accomplish, and then I'll also take you on a little tour of the pumpkin space, the serendipitous pumpkin growing that we had in our front bed that was cleared of trees this year. It is definitely done and needs to be cleared out, but I also have bulbs popping up, which makes me a little worried. Hopefully they survive through all the colder weather that's coming our way, hopefully. So as you can see, these beds, I mean, things like the gladiolas need to be cleaned up, and then we have a lot of weeds growing in the mulch, so I need to clean this bed up. Certain things look like weeds or grass and they're not, so this is actually grass interspersed with a bulb, so I need to just kind of be careful about what I'm doing, and I'll do the entire bed and clear that out, and then let's walk over to our little pumpkin patch across the driveway that is clearly spent. As you can see, as soon as we got the cold weather, it just withered up, and so now it needs to be cleaned out. Maybe I'll try and see if that larger pumpkin in there will turn orange if I cut it and leave it inside. We'll see. And then here are all my bulbs. So I'll link up in the corner that video, but I transplanted all these bulbs because we're reworking the space that they were planted, and now they're all popping up, so hopefully they stop doing that and they survive. There's the mooms. that wraps it up for today, guys. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to take that pumpkin plant back to the burn pile, and then I'm going to start mowing because it is 4 o'clock and it is dark out already, or getting dark. Our sun sets pretty early in the winter, and we're supposed to get rain tomorrow. So I need to mow now or never, and it's just easier to mow now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe down below for more videos like it, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. As well as the weeds in the bed as well. Don't knock the camera over. What you doing, little girl? There is an airplane that is doing acrobatics, or aerial acrobatics. I don't know what they're called. I'm not a plane person. You can hear it now. But they are within view, up in the sky, over the blueberry fields behind us, just doing tricks. Like, they'll have their engines stall out and then they'll do little spirals down and then they'll glide back up. And so I'm gonna have to do any audio recording in between when their engine stalls out. What can I say? In Oregon, when it's a sunny day, we're all out there enjoying it.